Hey guys, Pogo Hop here, and I just got my new beef stacks. Yay, I'm going to unbox it. So yeah, trusty scissors, the tape. Yeah, and then I'm going to test it out. Okay, this is harder to. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so yeah, here's my new Pro Series cup. Yay! New Gen 3 timer. Oh, they stack my Pro thing. And the quick release carrier. And there's a backpack, the DVD, and this. Yeah, everything I got. Okay, I'm going to unbox it. Let's put the. Wow, they made a new one. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this. Yeah. Yay, a new one. Yay. Yay, the Pro Series. Wait. What is it? I can't see. No, okay. But how do you do this? Oh, yeah. Here, the rubber bands attached it. I'm so excited about this. So yeah. Here. And so oh yeah. Oh, okay. Cool sets. Yeah, I'm going to unbox this and then this is so cool. It's like one of the happiest moments of my life. Yeah. Whoa. That's so small! That's so small. I'm going, yay, bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Okay, so it's that laptop. Yeah. How do you do this? Oh. So, let's do this. First try with the first cycle. Oops. Yeah, so hopefully I will get used to these. Let's try out my JW oranges on these. Yeah, I'm more used to it. So yeah.
Just try.
Huh?
Just try. No one can go that.
Wait. $13.99